our 16 liters tapioca boba pearl maker. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have at least 17 inches in diameter. And the overall height, we have 12 3/4 inches. Included will be scooper, along with a pair of mittens. Features include the functions that's shown here. Start button, heat preservation, everything else right here on display. Non-stick pot. The measurements for this one, we have at least 6 3/4 inches in height. By 15 inches in diameter. Last but not least, coming back here, you have your 110, 120 voltage. For more information on this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.